wondered why some teachers leave a lasting impact on their students? It's not only because of their knowledge, but also the respect they give. What's up, everyone? This is Sai. Today, let's explore one of the most important ethical standard in teaching profession, which is correct, respect. Respect is not just a simple word, but is a very powerful value that can shape lives, build trust, and inspire learning. A teacher shows respect by listening to students' ideas, treating everyone equally, and appreciating individuals' differences. Respect also means protecting students' rights, maintaining confidentiality, and promoting social justice and democracy inside the classroom. In conclusion, respect is an important ethical standard that helps people build positive relationships. It promotes understandings, kindness, and harmony among individuals. By practicing respect every day, we can create a better and more supportive community. That's all. Bye-bye.